possess an impressive vocal range, imitating not only each other but also human speech, showcasing their remarkable cognitive abilities. Parrots use sophisticated communication skills, expressing emotions and problem-solving capabilities, challenging traditional views on avian intelligence. Parrots have coexisted with humans throughout history, evidenced by ancient art. Their adaptability continues to captivate our tech-driven world.
Explore the fascinating world of the wild. Subscribe for more insights into nature's incredible wonders. Like, share, and join us in celebrating their unique talents.